Hi everyone, today in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do Cinebench test on your computer. So yeah, first open up the Google Chrome or whatever browser that you guys have, go to google.com and type here Cinebench. The latest model right now is R23, so you can just download R23. You can directly go to source by cinebench.net and simply click on download Cinebench 2024, and from here you wanted to download this. All right, so you can just click this one here, or you can also scroll down and find really old version of this, but I prefer using the R23 since this is latest version right now. So just go ahead and download this and click and save. All right, so once you guys have downloaded this, click on this folder icon to show in folder, and this is what you guys have downloaded, Cinebench R23. So right click here and then simply extract all and click on extract button, and now it's extracting right now. You can see that. So this is now around like 600 megabyte. So open up and then simply launch this exe file. It's gonna launch R23 and accept. So to test this, it's simple that you guys can go with this, click on start. So this is going to go with like multi-core right now, and you can see the speed up your processor. So you can see that it's going pretty much faster. So we are almost done right now. You can see that the timer's up and we have completely passed maybe like 10. You can see that it's 10. Well, so here is the points on multi-core, and it took like 10 minutes and it also passed 10 times the rendering. Now, yeah, if you wanted to go with like single core, you can start with single core. And this is how you like test this in a bench. And still, this is going to run like 10 minutes. So this is a single core, and yeah, it is a single core, and this is going like nuts. So yeah, this is it guys. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you like using this Cinebench testing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.